most important test, the taste test. Drink the whole thing. 10 on 10. Juicing is powerful. When done correctly, it will support your gut, improve metabolism, and also increase micronutrient absorption. So today, let me teach you my ultimate 5-ingredient green juice. Our first ingredient, celery. Great for hydration and excellent electrolyte balance. Pro tip, always remember to use the leaves. This will give our juice that slightly peppery flavor. Cucumbers are our skin-loving nutrients. They give you easy to digest fiber, which maintains that regularity of your bowel movement. Mint supports flavor and functionality. It naturally opens up your detox pathways. A few pieces of ginger for their warming, anti-inflammatory properties. And our fifth ingredient is amla, an excellent source of vitamin C, great to build immunity. It is this that's going to bring the juice together. In case amla is not available for you, just go ahead and add lemon juice. Low in calories but high in impact. This juice is about its micronutrients, hydration, and supporting your gut first thing in the day. Drink the whole thing. I have dropped on my clothes. For more such recipes, like, share, subscribe to India Food Network.